Welcome back to the Smart Seller Series. I am Michael G. Davis with Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm Signature Team. And today we're talking about something most homeowners don't realize until it's too late. The hidden cost of selling a home. Let's make sure you're fully prepared. See, selling a home can be incredibly profitable. But if you're not careful, it can also come with unexpected expenses. The good news, though, most of these costs are predictable and totally manageable when you have the right plan. So, let's start with knowing that there are 5 hidden cost categories most sellers never think about. Let's walk through each one and how to keep more money in your pocket. First, repairs. Even small issues can show up during inspection and turn into big negotiation points. Common repair requests include HVAC service, roof patches, plumbing leaks, electrical updates, rotting wood, and foundation adjustments. A buyer's inspector can use even minor problems to ask for repair credits. At Brooks and Davis, we walk your home before listing and identify what buyers will flag so you can fix inexpensive items up front and avoid big inspection surprises later. Second, preparation costs. These include deep cleaning, landscaping, minor painting, small touch-ups, and light staging. The great news is that these are typical low cost and they offer a very high return on investment. We'll tell you exactly what's worth doing and what isn't so you don't waste money on unnecessary upgrades. Third, closing costs. A lot of sellers don't realize they pay certain items at closing, including title insurance, HOA transfer fees, property taxes up to the day you close, professional real estate fees, and optional buyer concessions if negotiated. These can range from 6 to 8% of your sale price, depending on your situation. How to avoid surprises? During your seller strategy session, we're going to create a personalized net sheet showing you exactly how much money you'll walk away with before you ever list your home. Okay, fourth, pricing mistakes. Believe it or not, one of the biggest hidden costs is overpricing your home. When a home sits too long, buyers assume something is wrong, which leads to lowball offers, price reductions, longer time on market, and weaker negotiation leverage. A poor pricing strategy can cost you thousands. Our goal is strategic pricing from day one, so you get strong offers without chasing the market downward. And finally, moving costs. Most sellers don't account for movers, packing supplies, cleaning crews, temporary housing, storage units, and utility transfers. This adds up quickly, especially during a peak season. We help you plan your move ahead of time so you can budget properly and avoid last-minute expenses. So those are the 5 hidden cost categories. The best part? With the right preparation and strategy, you can reduce or even eliminate most of it. At Brooks and Davis, transparency is a part of our process. We want you to know exactly what to expect so you can make the smartest financial decision. If you want a personalized breakdown of your potential costs and how to minimize them, right now, schedule your free seller strategy session. Click the link below or scan the QR code, and we'll walk you through your net proceeds, prep plan, pricing strategy, and timeline options. I am Michael G. Davis with Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm, Signature Team, Thank you for watching episode 6. We'll see you in the next episode. Make sure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a homeowner who needs clarity.